Podge glue actually dries clear. My name is Xavier Art. I'm an artist and I'm with the Desire company going over my Mod Podge glue. I really like this brand because it dries clear. Unlike some glues that may dry whatever color the adhesive itself is or leave like a white paste behind. For me, at least, I can work on projects that use a lot of glitter or any type of textures that I do not want covered. I would recommend the Mod Podge glue to anyone who may be working on arts and craft projects. I think it's a great glue to use at home. I would even use it in school settings. I would even recommend it to people who may be working on fine art projects at a higher level. I myself have been using the Mod Podge glue for about 5 to 6 years now, starting back in college, working on paper goods in one of my classes. And I just kind of got hooked on it after that. And so I definitely keep it in my storage space with the rest of my supplies.